let's say you're out in the junkyard and you find a steering column you need, or you need the steering box, or something that requires you to separate the steering coupler on the Mopar from the steering box. So let's say in this instance we want to remove the steering column, so we want to remove this and we'll remove the bolts up here on the firewall, and then we can slip it out. Well, if you're in a junkyard, you don't have everything with you. You know, sometimes you take select tools, whatever. In some cases, if you can get the valve cover off, particularly if it's a V8, I don't know about the slant 6, I couldn't tell you right off. A push rod underneath the valve cover of a V8, all right, small block, are all pretty much the same, particularly stock where they don't have the balls on the ends of the ones that came originally. If you take this and you got your little hammer and you get that pin lined up there, the little roll pin in the coupler, and you put that guy right down in there, you can chase it all the way through. Just like that, and you've got your roll pin out. And all you gotta do is get something to pry that loose after you get all this unbolted up here, and then you get your steering column loose. It's easy. The tool's available right there in the junkyard, hopefully. So hopefully that helps. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.